Alright guys, you know what time it is? You're watching Hidden Hammock, and right now we're going in hot. There's no way I can approach this but hot. I'm gonna try my first roundabout. Oh my god, we are in. I can't believe it. We are in the middle of a roundabout, guys. We just went from 0 to hero in like 5 seconds. Yeah, Hidden Hammock, baby. Now, we're just gonna lay low, make sure no one followed us in, no one reported us. And this is us tonight, hiding our hammock on this quiet little roundabout in the middle of this big city. Yeah. Inside my hammock, and just stuffed into my bag, I got my mattress and my sleeping bag already lofting. I just need to pull it out of my bag. It's just stuffed in lightly, so I'm all prepared. I just gotta get 2 daisy chains up, bam and bam. Probably gonna hang them from somewhere in here, across to there. Boom, that's us guys. We've done it. Let's get inside and get on the down low. Let's keep it stealth. Alright guys, we're inside the hammock. This hammock is mostly camouflage, so if anyone's seen in, it's just going to see camouflage. And we're right on a roundabout right now. This is HRS at its finest, people. Yeah, Hidden Hammock, Stealth Camping Alliance. I might go take this opportunity to go live now. And yeah, see what happens tonight. So mad love to all my subscribers out there. Thank you so much. I hope you're getting notified when I'm going live, when I got new content coming out. I got 2 videos approaching. I got Halloween and I got this roundabout camp. I'm going home and I can't wait to do it. So yeah, that's us. Yeah guys, here goes the fire engine. Basic camping says, basic stealth camping. We got another emergency service guy. Alright, that was another cop, for real. This is my first roundabout ever, guys. I'm so excited. Roundabouts are so hard to find in New Zealand. All our roundabouts are like well maintained. You can see right over the top, so you can see cars on the other side. There's a clear sight normally, but I found this one has this, what I think is a Norfolk pine. And yeah man, I had to crawl in to get here. I'm pretty excited, and hopefully we can stay here all night. I got something for us new to eat tonight. We're gonna try one of these Edgar Nourish Bowls. Spiced lentil, and there's ambulance, and it's got lentils, chickpeas and brown rice and a mild curry dressing. So bam, that's what it looks like. Look how nice it is. And yeah, comes with a little, I like a little spork attached. Let's make that, eh? So yeah, you get this little spork, and yeah, and this little bowl. Let's rip it open, eh? Let's have a look. Smells like curry. Check that out. So yeah, all those people out there that worry about what I eat, well, I've got this Nourish Bowl tonight, and it's full of goodness, and we're gonna try it out. If we like it, we might take it on future adventures. All right, that's what it looks like. Oh yeah guys, it's pretty good. That Nourish bowl was so delicious. I truly recommend grabbing those for hikes, man. Fantastic. Something a little bit healthier than lollies, I bet. And a little bit more interesting than tuna, I guess. So yeah guys, I just wanted to knock out my main meal of the night early while we got light, because this town is a pretty dangerous town. It's got the highest rate of gun crime in New Zealand. So I don't want anyone going around this roundabout and taking pop shots at me, because I'm a sitting target and I got my light on. So yeah, I gotta be extra careful. There's a lot of homeless people in this town. But what I have got going for me is, like 200 meters away is the police station. So that's probably the only reason I did camp here, is because it was right next to a police station. Like if I didn't get seen by police, then it's probably the safest place for me to be. Interesting way I weigh it up, but yeah, this is a dangerous town and I gotta have my wits about me tonight. And I just want Stealth Monkey to know that I'm right next to Woolworths, or we call it Countdown here in New Zealand. But yeah, so yeah, cars will be able to see me if I have lights on in here. It's gonna be an interesting night. I don't know how safe I'm gonna be, but we're gonna try. I can hear a helicopter going over. And this is us guys, lying in the hammock. Yeah. Just gonna smash into some of these. These are Fabulous Fruit Tingles, made by Lifesavers. Candy tablet. Fire engine. All right guys, that's it. It's 7:40 p.m. The sun is going down and we're into night mode. It's gonna be a long night for me. I can't have the light on. I might get detected by someone going past. I might get detected by someone going round the roundabout. And I don't want to be detected tonight. I want to stay concealed inside the base of this tree. And yeah, so no lights tonight. Minimal lights. That's what it looks like above my hammock, guys. I'm gonna have no tarp tonight, so hopefully all these branches stop any water coming through. It's full of spiders though. That bark is just full of cobwebs, man. Another cop. Wow, that was a cop van. Alright guys, I'm gonna pop some of these. These are Pringles Veggie Creations. This is another one of my healthy food options. It's made from potato, orange sweet potato, paprika and garlic. And let's have a look in here. That's what we're working with. Yeah. So the realities of camping on a roundabout, man. It's noisy. I gotta say, it's noisy. There's a lot of action, and I reckon there's a lot of spiders in this tree that I'm camped at. No doubt they'll be crawling over my hammock tonight. But I'm loving it. I can't believe it. This is my first roundabout stealth camp, and I'm just having such a great time. What a way to end my trip. Fantastic. It's nighttime now, but there's still a lot of light pollution. Like that's the Woolworths sign right there, and like it's still really light in here. It's just so bright in here. I'm a roundabout boy, living a roundabout life. It's about 20 to 11 and it's starting to calm down on the roundabout tonight. But I just checked the temperature. It's 12 degrees now, but within the next 6 hours, it's going to drop down to 5 or 4 degrees. So I just chucked on some thermal base layers and I'm using my jacket as like a blackout curtain so I can film this in the light right now. Otherwise, we've just been keeping on the D-Lo, trying to not be discovered camping on this roundabout. Yeah, it's been an interesting night. Heaps of buses, ambulances, cop cars, paddy wagons, security, fire engines, helicopters, you name it. I've heard it all on this roundabout tonight. I think I'm gonna whip into some candy soon and then I might go to sleep. Let's crush back this whole box of raspberry marshmallow fish bites. Gluten-free. Queen Anne. These are delicious, man. This is like the best chocolate fish you can get. I promise you. Yeah, this is the best for sure. They smell so good. Look at this. Let's try one of these. I don't know what they're doing. Alright guys, it's just gone midnight and things are starting to quiet down on the old roundabout. I've had some candy, we've had some Pringles, we had a Nourish bowl, and I got something saved for breakfast. I got a bottle of Pepsi, but yeah, I had a fantastic camp, heaps of action. I think I'm gonna try get some sleep now, wake up early, and try and make it off this roundabout island. Thanks for joining me today, and right now I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night, YouTube. See you in the morning. Good morning, guys. Whoa. Good morning. We just woke up on the roundabout and we're alive. Yes. All right, guys. It's 6:22 a.m. Cars are going around the roundabout again. We're gonna jump out of this hammock, show you the setup. After that, we'll walk around the tree, and then we're gonna disappear into the forest like Robin Hood and make our way back home. This is day 38 and I'm ready. And boom, just like that, we're all tidied up. Let's go, guys. All right, guys, time to go. All right. This is really great last night, guys. This tree right here. I'm just gonna go for one lap around. Last night we were about 180 meters from the police station, and right up here was the courthouse. So yeah, that's why we kept seeing police last night. We stepped in that bush last night, and right now it's time to go. Let's do this. Alright guys, the sun is coming up over there, and last night we slept there. What a roundabout that was. Last night I went live and I congratulated those that took part in the airport challenge. But I also forgot to drink this can of Stealth Mother. So I just want to say mad respect to my boy, Sticker Stealth Monkey, for winning the airport challenge. Congratulations, brother. Thanks very much for taking part. Cheers, Stealth Monkey. Cheers, Stealth Camping Alliance. That's the Hamilton High Court there. Check that out. And last night we camped underneath that tree 180 meters from the police station. That was us, Hidden Hammock. You know how we do. Just finishing off this mother for Stealth Monkey. Cheers, brother. Cheers. All right, that's enough being cheeky. It's time to go.
I'm Sam from Basic Stealth Camping, and I want to give a big shout out to New Zealand's original stealth camper, Hidden Hammock. Check him out, the guy's a legend. He's on this epic journey throughout New Zealand, like stealth camping almost every night. Josh, a million thumbs up to you, mate. I love your stuff, love your channel, keep it up. And we've got you back, mate. I'm coming over to New Zealand in a few weeks' time. Doubt we'll be able to catch up, we're on different islands, but hopefully one of these days I'll get up north, mate, and we'll share a beer, we'll share a Blue V.